Life gainers, this is a video you've all been requesting, most of you, about what are the fundamentals of day trading and or swing trading with Robinhood. And I'm going to take you guys in my portfolio and show you the things you need to be looking for and how to prepare for day trading. If you're finding me for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to turn on notifications so when I drop videos, you get them. If you want to contact me, just join me on Instagram, DM me, and we can make some things happen. We can wrap it up and just kind of give you guys a talk. And also, if you haven't gotten a Robinhood account, my link is in the video description. So ladies and gentlemen, am I a big fan of day trading? Absolutely not. Do I do it here and there? I am more of a fan of swing trading. Swing trading is just when you buy a stock and you hold it for longer than a day, but you get rid of it within a year. And the reason why I'm not that big of a fan in day trading is because of the platform I'm using, which is Robinhood. Robinhood is not that great for day trading, my people. But if you want to dibble dabble in day trading or even swing trading, the principles for both can be applied. So let me jump on the Robinhood account and just show you guys what to look for if you're going to start dibble dabbling in day trading or swing trading. So first things first, ladies and gentlemen, if you're going to day trade, you need to get up early in the morning or do research at night when the markets are closed. Because in the after hours and in the pre-markets is when rich people, such as hedge funds and wealthy folks, have access to the market when us retailers don't have that access. And if you want to understand where they're going in the marketplace, you see what they're doing in the pre-markets or in the after hours, and then you can kind of titrate your trading based on them. And so when you do your research, the very first thing you need to look at is the SPY Spider S&P 500 ETF, one of the most traded ETFs on the planet because of its stability. And the most important part about this ETF is 90% of whatever the stock market is doing that day, you see right here with this ETF. So for example, today it's down 0.37%. So 90% of the stock market is probably having a red day. And what you want to do is when you see what this is, so let's just say, for example, today this is 0.3 and you're looking at this early in the morning. You want to go look for quality stocks, ladies and gentlemen, not that penny stock bull jive. Quality stocks that are $50 or more, ranging to $150 in that area, that are quality companies. And you want those stocks to be beating what the Spider is doing. So for example, we know that right now the Spider is 0.3. I'm going to go in my portfolio and I've already created lists. But if you don't want to create lists, you just want to randomly look for certain stocks, you can do that. But I have a list that I call the top 10 S&P and NASDAQ stocks. And so I go in here and see what the hell is going on. So automatically I have a row of stocks that's beating the S&P. And you would just come in here and pick whichever one of your stocks you like the best that is beating the S&P. And like I said, I have a price range I stick to, which is about $50 to $150. But now I will deviate if it's one of my pet stocks. So for this example, let's use JD. It's not the best example because it's not beating the S&P by a lot. So if we're going to really do this thing, let's pick something that's really beating the S&P. Let's go Salesforce. Salesforce is beating the S&P by 5%. This is definitely something you want to look at as a stock. But when you've picked out 3 or 4 stocks that you like, the next thing you do is see what the news is about that stock to see why the stock is going up. If you find good relevant news, that has narrowed down your search to you can use those set of stocks to do your day trading. But if you don't find any current relevant news, and the stock is up like that, don't even think about it. You're setting yourself up for a recipe to lose money if you're going to be betting on a stock. And so as you see in here, Salesforce.com provided an 80-point boost to its Dow price, and you would just click and see why. And the reason why is because they had great second quarter profit numbers. Ladies and gentlemen, remember what drives a stock price? Good earnings and profit. And so if this was the pre-market and you was ready to do something, this is definitely a stock that you would take a look at. And let me get out of that news and go back to the stock. But now, having said all those things, You still have to know when to get in and get out of the stock. And that's where the trouble comes with Robinhood. Because when you come in here and look at the candlesticks, all the info you're seeing is about 5 minutes behind, which is going to get you in a lot of trouble when you're day trading, because you could be up in one 5-minute clip, you know, $3, $4. And then by the time it gets to Robinhood and you see this data, it's down already. So I would play this as a swing trade and own a call on this thing for a week to see what happens, to see if it continues growth. And so what you're really looking for when you open this candlestick, you want, with Robinhood anyway, you want to get to a point where this RSI is down to about 30 or lower. And if you see the MACD and you see the MACD has a red line that's going down, you want to see when that red line is going to start going back up. And that's how you would basically pick your entry point. But I'm going to save the whole in and out for another video. I did want to show you guys just the foundation setup for what people look for when they're trying to figure out which stocks to pick to do day trading. And that's pretty much it right there. That's what you would do. You would go check the SPY, look for things that are beating the SPY, check the news to see why certain stocks have gone up that are beating the SPY. And if you like that stock as a quality stock, you just take a bet on it. And so, ladies and gentlemen, like I said again, Robinhood is not the best platform for doing day trading, but it is good for swing trading, which is what I do the most. And I will drop you guys another video on what my strategies are for swing trading in Robinhood. That's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like my video. Please comment, subscribe. Go get yourself that life gain. Again, if you don't have Robinhood and you're interested, use my link in the video description. And if you ever want to just holler at me, come join me on this channel. You know, wrap it up about stocks and business. DM me on IG. Follow me on IG, and we'll make that happen. And until that next sexy as hell video, I'll see you.